Oh. That's it, Andy. That's it, mush, isn't it? That's it, Andy. That's it. Fuck me, you motherfucker. Oh yeah, I need to sort that top out. Oh shit! Oh shit. Right. Fucking hell. Right. Opening position. Yes. Well. That cummed everywhere, that did. Didn't it? That fucking spunked everywhere. Dirty bastard. Right. Fucking hell. Ah, oh well. So opening position would have been there. So fully open. Yeah, that's about right. Right on that, then I've got to straighten that up there because it's a bit crooked. But other than that, that looks really fucking good. Oh god. Right. Oh well. Yeah, no, that's good. These up there. There we go. Right. I wonder. And also I can build from that as well. I'll be able to make from this, so if it starts to fail, I can build from that. But I might have a little support coming down there, just to help it leverage a bit better. I might find a bit of that away, and then have like a little flat bar down there, something like that. Just so it don't bend. I don't want it to bend, but no, that looks smart, doesn't it? Haha, look at that on the camera, man. Hey, it's looking like a machine. Very nice. So, in the meantime, we can cut a section out of here. Right. Forward the finger. Over the top. I'm going in a minute, it's getting cold. I had enough of this. I just want to get this boxed up. Oh well. Fuck up. We use the blade that's got the hydraulic fluid on it. Looking cold down. Yeah, that's alright. Oh. 5-0, man. Yeah, 5-0. Oh, ha ha ha. Very sweet. Look at that, Anne. You pleased, Anne? Yeah, very good. Right. That's turned a different colour. I think we'll all turn a different colour with that up. There. Right. That's a little bit at the angle, isn't it? It doesn't matter, does it? It's only for me, isn't it? Hey? Right. Not for the king now, is it? Right. Well, that's that all sorted now. I'm going to pack up today now, guys. I've had a fucking enough. I've done one. That's just good enough for me. And I'm going to let you actually, wait there a minute, guys. Right. Yeah, no, I'm going to, I thought about it a little bit more specific. Remember here. Do you know what? We're figuring it out when it comes to the day. Because it's adding more weight, isn't it? That's the problem. It's adding more weight. And we don't want to add any more weight than what we've already got. And as it is, I'm adding a bit of a length to it. But it looks very good. I might put a block over there. Yes. Actually, I wonder. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'll just cut a section out of there and then weld that onto it on the end. Oh, see? Isn't that nice, Auntie? Right, put the helmet away, Aunt. Come on. Fucking hell, I'm itching already. Oh, you know. Right, come on, Aunt. What does that? Well, it doesn't add me. Right, that'll do me for the fucking day. Put these fucking coats away. This. Oh well, that's the end of that one then, guys. That's the end of that. Anyway, I'm going to charge my torch up because I need that for my cleaning out my ferrets later. And that is it for the day, guys. I hope you've all enjoyed the video, and it's going to be a frost again tonight. Huh, should we go ferret in a moment? Ooh, that don't sound a bad idea, eh? Well, what about your grab? I can always put off until Monday, mate. Oh, that's up to you, Ant. Anyway, I'll let you decide on that one, Ant. Right, anyway. Right, Ant. 2 seconds. Oh, it's lovely and warm in here. Oh, it's nice and warm in there, guys. I'm going to have to get in there in a minute. 56 minutes we're into on this video. Right. Okay. Smoking's a bad habit. Fucking give it up, man. Well, as you all know, the the pinchers will be done very soon, won't they? I will do another video doing the other side. And that actually, I didn't even measure that fucking, I didn't even think about actually, oh, is the RAM, when it fully extended, is it gonna work? I didn't cross my mind. But actually, it actually comes along quite well. It's actually perfect, because by the time the 2 pinches close up, it's not actually going to be fully open anyway, because the 2 pinches are going to touch together, which is what you want that to happen anyway, because then you can grip hold of things a little bit more tighter. But then again, you're going to grip it tight anyway, because you're not going to have pinches full closed anyway. So actually, it's not a bad idea, that. Because you're not going to have them fully closed unless you're picking up, like, I don't know, a big rock. Not even that. They're never going to be fully closed, are they? So you're not fucking grabbing hold of a bunch of newspapers and then squashing them tight, are you? So that's actually worked out in my favour. But that top part on there, the top bit is not lined up. So because it was just a rush job, because I wanted to see how it works. But this time I'm actually going to take my time with it. So this one here, that one there needs to go down to make the pin more level. So I need to knock that one down to make the pin more level. So then it's, because the bottle's actually tipped at an angle. So by the time I've levelled that out, the pin will be level. Then it will be level on the bottom. So actually it's not a bad little thing that I build in there. It's got to take more time with it. All it was, it's just chucked together when I first ever built it, because I thought, oh, this looks really interesting for grabbing metal. Well, look what I've just made. You know, handmade that myself. So if anyone out there that wants anything like that made, similar to that for their machine or whatever, just let me know. Just send me a message and I can make anything really. I don't have a lathe. I don't have any kind of big sawmill cutting equipment. All I have is an angle grinder, drill, hammer and a welder, and that is all I need. As I said, that is all I need. I don't need anything else. I don't need any other tools. Pillar drills, why do you need a pillar drill? You got a hand drill, you can use a vise, clamp it in there. If the vise is not big enough, then fucking make something. Make a vise out of a ram or something, yeah? Yeah, something that just... and then it'll hold it tighter for you, won't it? Well, that's my next project, actually. Might invent a big voice using a RAM. Ah, does that sound good, guys, or what? Yeah, that actually sounds alright. Yeah, let's invent a big voice. A RAM voice, it'll be called. I bet you've never seen one of that. I've never seen one. The whole time I've been around, I ain't never seen a voice as a RAM. Never seen that. But that'd be good to see. I just get a big lump of solid steel, stood upright, weld to the end of a flat piece of steel, a bit like the voice, and then I would do another one standing up straight, with it clipped into the grooves, and I'd have it like on a runner, is what I'm on about. So then I'd have it like how I'd done that with the pins, and it'd just be a sliding. I'll make it work one day. Oh yeah, that sounds very good idea, Anne. Let's make a hydraulic device. Just don't put your fingers in it, because you'll find that there'll be I don't know, as flat as a fucking pancake, I suppose. Yeah, I know what it feels like to be crushed by hydraulics. Yeah, I do, yeah. There's once upon a time, when I first ever built it, I put my thumb in between the ram and the crane. Like that, yeah, this is looking good, yeah. Squash it in my thumb and the nail fell off. That's how good hydraulics are. Any tighter, it would probably pop my thumb off. Not, not being funny, so, yeah. Now you know how hydraulics work. Good. Good stuff it is. To build the vise, you only want a ram about this size. You don't want anything really overly bigger than that, because how tight do you want to grip your stuff, you know? You don't need anything big to make a vise. That'd be my vise there. And then I'll just push the flat plate and pinch up whatever I need to pinch together to hold it into place while I cut it, grind it, or drill it. Anything really. Bend it, maybe. Oh, can we make a hydraulic bending machine? Well, we'll have to figure that out, haven't we? That sounds like a good idea. We can maybe have a little attachment to it, so we can also bend our metal too. Because I need to bend some metal, actually. Because on the top of my crane, I need to strap the cables down. So I'm going to have two pieces of metal, one lipped over there, the other one lipped down that end. I'm going to have a drill bit in the middle, straight through there, thread nut it, so get my threading kit out, and then top of the crane, then bolt it in, put the 2, 3, 4, whatever many hoses you got, that's how wide you got to make it, and then clamp them down with a fucking screw. That sounds a good idea, doesn't it, guys? I've been thinking about this from day one, and you know what? This trailer's going to look so up. It's going to be the best on the road, I reckon, anyway. Well, it will be when I finish. All handmade. Can't even go wrong with that, can you? Have you seen the prices of them grab machines? Huh? £3 actually. Some of them are like 5,000. So, if you've got the knowledge, build your own. That's my advice. Yeah, build your own. I'm even going to have some carriers on that as well. So, you get your ton bags and all that. So you can hook it on. I'll invent something for lifting ton bags, I'm sure. Yeah, that won't be a bad shout, Anne. No, that won't be a bad shout, will it? I'll invent something for lifting ton bags. How's that? To go with that there, right there, yeah? I'll invent something. That's what I'll do. That's exactly what I'm going to do. Yeah, and that don't sound a bad idea actually, mate. No, that don't. Right. Anyway. I need to start my fire up soon. Yeah, that's a bad idea. But the only thing is my crane, my paintwork. I would like to have my log burner back on the go this winter because it's cold, isn't it? And it's good to sit around the fire in the garden. After ferreting, maybe. Remember before? Yeah. Right, and now it's time to rock and roll. Yes, now it's time to rock and roll. See, the thing is, to do stuff, you got to make it happen. And the idea of this is, it's not because I'm a lazy bastard, it's because I don't want to save my back a little bit, you know. So why hurt yourself when you can build something to lift stuff for you? Well, that's the common sense, isn't it? To build this to make it work for you. Saves you hurting yourself. Yeah, that sounds really clever, ain't that? But yeah, no, that is going to be painted red. Same as the crane. What, even the claws, Anne? Yeah, even the claws, because they still need painting. The paint will come off, picking up metal and stuff, but it doesn't matter, does it? It's only the claws. Like, the top part of it would be fine. The paint will stay, won't it? All depending on how much you beat it around, really. But it's a work tool. But obviously the boom and the crane and all the rest of it will stay red, won't it? Because nothing's really going to touch that. It's all going to be on down to the claws, really. So, yes, we need to get a little bit more Pacific, Ant. And to build the crane, I need to make it turn without doing it by hand. Maybe I could use a little tiny ram like that. But I need to see if they've got anything smaller in the shop. That's what I need to do. Right, less of the talking now, Ant. Let's wrap this video up, shall we? And let's get it all posted. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in a bit. You'll see me, actually, on the next video very shortly. Don't go anywhere, because I'll be back. Fucking building in the other side. Doing the other side. And you need to get up earlier, mate. Yeah, I know. But anyway, no, you're going to see me on the next video doing the other side. Don't go anywhere, because I'll be back tomorrow. Bye for now. Oh, sorry about the last video. My battery died. Forgot to give you a kiss. See ya.